Hello friends, welcome to Pythonwala. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about Python programming. Introduction to Python programming. Let's see what is Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. Python is high-level language. That means human understandable language. Python is interpreted language. That means to convert Python code to machine understandable code, we use a software called interpreter. It converts Python code to machine understandable code. That way, we call Python as interpreted language. In Python, we'll study about class and objects. That's why it is called object-oriented language. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Let's see features of Python. Python is easy to code because its syntax is very simple, free and open source. That means we can download Python freely from anywhere. Object-oriented language. As I told you, we will discuss class and objects in Python. That's why it is object-oriented language. Python has extensible feature. That means we can convert Python code to C++ code or C code, etc. Python is portable. That means we can switch from Windows to Linux or Linux to iOS, etc. Python is an integrated language. Python is having large scale of standard libraries, and Python is dynamically typed, and Python supports GUI programming. These are the main features of Python. Let's see why is Python popular. Python's popularity and high salary. Python is simple and easy to learn. As I told you, it is a feature of Python. It is very simple and easy to learn. Python is portable and extensible. Python is used in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, web development, IoT, etc. Python is used with big data, Python scripting and automation, computer graphics, supports testing. These are the main advantages to be the most popular language. Let's see what are the companies that are using Python. Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, Reddit, Amazon, Uber. These are the top companies that are using Python. Let's see route map to learn Python. First, we'll discuss about basics. Then we'll go to data types. Then we will move to control structures. Then we will discuss about arrays. Then we'll go to functions and to file handling. At last, we will discuss OOPS concepts. Thank you.